Good morning, students. I am Samantha, lecturer in chemistry. Okay, students, today we will discuss about ethyl acetoacetate, EAA, ethyl acetoacetate. In that, we have to discuss about introduction of EAA and preparation of ethyl acetoacetate, physical properties, chemical properties, ketoenol tautomerism, stability of keto form, and ketoenol tautomerism in ethyl acetoacetate, synthetic uses, etc. Today we will discuss. Okay, first introduction of ethyl acetoacetate. The class of compounds containing a methylene group directly bonded to two electron withdrawing groups are called as active methylene compounds. Ethyl acetoacetate and diethyl malanoate falls in this class. Now we shall discuss about the preparation properties and uses of ethyl acetoacetate. Okay, here ethyl acetoacetate means ethyl acetoacetate is having active methylene group. Active methylene group means what? The methylene group which is present between two electron withdrawing groups. That compound is that methylene group is called as a active methylene group. Okay, ethyl acetoacetate is having active methylene group, and diethyl malanoate or malonic ester also having active methylene group. Okay, active methylene group means the methylene group which is present between two electron withdrawing groups. Okay, here ethyl acetoacetate and diethyl malanoate or comes under this class. Now I will discuss about the preparation properties and uses of ethyl acetoacetate. Okay, the structure of ethyl acetoacetate is EAA structure is CH3 C double bond O CH2 C double bond O OC2H5. Okay, this is the structure of ethyl acetoacetate. Okay, here active methylene group is this one. Okay, middle CH2 group is a active methylene group. This methylene group present between two electron withdrawing groups. Okay, here a C double bond O group and this side also C double bond O group. C double bond O group means electron withdrawing group. Okay, this methylene group is present between two electron withdrawing groups. So it is called as an active methylene group. EAA is having active methylene group in that structure. Next is preparation of ethyl acetoacetate. Okay, only one important preparation method is there, that is Claisen condensation reaction. Okay, Claisen condensation reaction. Here 2 moles of ethyl acetate condense each other in presence of sodium ethoxide and loses ethyl alcohol and form ethyl acetoacetate. Okay, students, what is Claisen condensation? 2 moles of ethyl acetoacetate react with each other in presence of sodium ethoxide and loses ethyl alcohol and form ethyl acetoacetate. Okay, let us discuss the mechanism of this Claisen condensation reaction. Okay, here mechanism. First step 1, from sodium ethoxide, C2H5O minus is a ethoxy ion. Okay, this ethoxide is formed from the sodium ethoxide. C2H5ONa is there na. That compound exists as a C2H5O minus and Na plus. So here ethoxide ion removes one of the alpha hydrogen of ethyl acetate. Okay, here first 1 mole of ethyl acetate here, CH3 C double bond O OC2H5. Okay, one of the alpha hydrogen is eliminates outside in presence of ethoxide. Okay, here CH2 minus is formed. Here C2H5 OH ethyl alcohol is eliminated and CH2 minus C double bond O OC2H5 is formed. This is ester anion. Okay, in second step, remaining ethyl acetate is there na 2 moles of ethyl acetate na 1 mole is participates in step 1 and form ester anion. In step 2, another mole of ethyl acetate also participates. Okay, here ester anion react with another mole of ethyl acetate. Okay, here ester anion CH2 minus is there na, this CH2 minus attaches to the another mole of ethyl acetate carbonyl carbon C double bond. Okay, here like this, then pi bond shifted to oxygen, oxygen get negative charge. Okay, here like this. Next, here, okay, this OC2H5 groups come downside and this is bind with adjacent side. Okay, this is ester anion group and this one is ethyl acetate. Okay, here this compound is formed in step 3. This oxygen bond is in a negative charge. It is shifted to between carbon and oxygen and it loses ethoxide ion. Okay, pi bond shifted to here and this bond break and loses C2H5O minus. Okay, here ethyl acetoacetate is formed. Okay, students, this is a mechanism of Claisen condensation reaction. Okay, what is Claisen reaction? The 2 moles of ethyl acetates react in presence of sodium ethoxide, loses ethyl alcohol and form ethyl acetoacetate. Okay, next is physical properties of ethyl acetoacetate. Ethyl acetoacetate is a colorless, pleasant smelling liquid. Okay, ethyl acetoacetate is a colorless, pleasant smell liquid. The boiling point of ethyl acetoacetate is 180.4 degrees centigrade and density is 1.0282. It is sparingly soluble in water but freely soluble in organic solvents. Okay, students, what are the physical properties of EAA? It is a colorless liquid and it has a pleasant smell. Boiling point is 180.4 degrees centigrade. Density is 1.0282 and it is partially soluble in water but freely soluble in organic solvents. Next is chemical properties of ethyl acetoacetate. As a methylene hydrogen is acidic in nature, hence it can be easily replaced by some other groups. Hence, from ethyl acetoacetate, we can synthesize large number of compounds. Now, why the methylene hydrogen is acidic in nature? Okay, what is here? Methylene hydrogen is highly acidic in nature and it can be easily replaced by other groups. So, ethyl acetoacetate is used in synthesis of large number of compounds. Why ethyl acetoacetate is having active methylene group. Okay, that methylene hydrogens are highly acidic in nature, and these hydrogens easily replaced by other groups. That's why ethyl acetoacetate is used in synthesis of large number of compounds. Okay, let us discuss why the methylene hydrogens are acidic in nature. First of all, acidity of methylene hydrogen. Okay, this is the structure of ethyl acetoacetate. It is attributed to two factors. Okay, here this is the carbene ion. When the one of the methylene hydrogen removes outside and carbene ion is formed, this carbene ion is more stable. Okay, it is attributed to two factors, and next is a inductive effect. Inductive, based on this, here this methylene group is present between two electron withdrawing groups. So this side carbonyl group attracts the electron, and this side also carbonyl group attracts the electron. So this methylene group is having less electron density. That's why this hydrogen can easily replaced. Okay, when this compound loses hydrogen, carbene ion is formed. That carbene ion is more stable carbene ion. To getting that stability, this compound easily loses the hydrogen. That is also one factor. Next is a resonance effect. This is ethyl acetoacetate carbene ion. Okay, here this carbene ion, when the ethyl acetoacetate loses hydrogen, carbene ion is formed. That carbene ion is more stable because this carbene ion will participate in resonance. Okay, what is resonance here? This is a carbene ion. This negative charge shifted to left side or right side, whatever it may be. For example, this negative charge shifted to left side, this pi bond shifted to oxygen and form this compound. Okay, CH3 CO minus double bond CH single bond C double bond O OC2H5. Okay, this is the one of the resonance structure. If the pi bond is shifted to right side, means negative charge is shifted to right side, then this pi bond shifted to oxygen. Okay, then this resonance structure is formed. CH3C double bond O, CH double bond C, O minus OC2H5. Okay, means here this carbene ion shows two resonance structures, number 1 and number 2. And here the resonance hybrid is this CH3C single bond O, CH single bond C, O minus OC2H5. Okay, here two oxygens are showing partially negative charge, and this carbon also shows partially negative charge. Means the negative charge is delocalized in three atoms, oxygens and carbon. Okay, this is the resonance hybrid structure. Okay, acidity of methylene hydrogen based on two factors due to inductive effect and resonance effect. Okay, that's why this methylene group hydrogens are more acidic in nature, and these two hydrogens easily replaced by other groups. Okay, next is salt formation. In presence of a strong base C2H5O minus ethoxide. Okay, here this is a ethyl acetoacetate. Ethyl acetoacetate react with base. Okay, for example, here we are taking C2H5O minus, that is the ethoxide ion. It is a strong base, and ethyl acetoacetate is a strong acid. In presence of this base, one of the alpha hydrogen or active methylene hydrogen is comes outside and form this enolate anion. Okay, this enolate anion is a weak base and loses C2H5OH ethyl alcohol. It is also weak acid. A strong base and strong acid react with each other and form one enolate anion and weak acid. Enolate anion is a weak base. Okay, for example, here we are taking sodium ethoxide C2H5O minus Na plus. In presence of that sodium ethoxide, it loses hydrogen and form ethyl alcohol. Here CH minus is there na. Here sodium plus also formed. Then this is the salt. Next is the alkylation. Alkylation means when this ethyl acetoacetate react with alkyl halides, one of the alpha hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group and form alkylated ethyl acetoacetate. Okay, here RX is the alkyl halide react with ethyl acetoacetate. Okay, here one of the hydrogen loses and form carbene ion. Ethyl acetoacetate anion is formed. Here this alkyl group is attached to the negative charge carbon and form this monoalkylated ethyl acetoacetate. Okay, this reaction is called as alkylation reaction. When ethyl acetoacetate is react with alkyl halides, one of the alpha hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group and form alkylated ethyl acetoacetate. Next is hydrolysis. There are two types of hydrolysis is there. One is ketonic hydrolysis. Ketonic hydrolysis, ethyl acetoacetate on hydrolysis with water and form acetoacetic acid plus ethyl alcohol. On heating of acetoacetic acid, it loses acetone and carbon dioxide gas. Okay, this hydrolysis is called as a ketonic hydrolysis. Okay, why it is ketonic hydrolysis? In this reaction, ketone is formed. That's why it is called as a ketonic hydrolysis. Okay, ethyl acetoacetate on hydrolysis, ethyl acetoacetate is converted to acetoacetic acid. Okay, here it loses ethyl alcohol and form acetoacetic acid. On heating of acetoacetic acid, here carbon dioxide loses and form acetone. First ethyl acetoacetate on hydrolysis, it is converted to uh, ethyl acetoacetate on hydrolysis loses ethyl alcohol and form acetoacetic acid. On heating of acetoacetic acid, it loses CO2 gas and form acetone. Okay, acetone is a ketone. So it is called as ketonic hydrolysis. Next is acidic hydrolysis. Here this is a acetoacetic acid. Hydrolysis of ethyl acetoacetic acid. Here we are taking 2 moles of water molecule. Okay, H2O, H2O means here two acetic acids are formed and one ethyl alcohol is eliminated. This reaction is occurred in presence of concentrated sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. That's why it is called as acidic hydrolysis. Okay, in acidic hydrolysis, ethyl acetoacetate is converted to 2 moles of acetic acid and loses 1 ethyl alcohol. Okay, here we are taking 2 moles of water. This reaction occurred in presence of concentrated sodium hydroxide and dilute hydrochloric acid. Okay, next is a keto-enol tautomerism. Aldehydes, ketones and some other compounds undergo this special type of tautomerism. It involves the migration of a proton from alpha carbon to the carbonyl oxygen. Okay, here keto-enol tautomerism means aldehydes, ketones and some other compounds undergo this special type of tautomerism. Here this tautomerism involves the migration of proton from alpha carbon to the carbonyl oxygen. Okay, that is here migration of proton means here this is the proton hydrogen where it is present at alpha carbon, so it is called as alpha hydrogen. Okay, migration of this alpha hydrogen to carbonyl carbon means this bond shifted to these two carbons, pi bond shifted to oxygen, so oxygen get negative charge, so this proton bind with oxygen like this. Okay, okay, here this is the alpha hydrogen present at alpha carbon. Okay, here migration of this proton from alpha carbon to carbonyl oxygen. Okay, this is the carbonyl oxygen. This form is called as a keto form. Okay, as it is C double bond O group, keto group is present, so it is called as keto form. After the migration of proton from alpha carbon to carbonyl oxygen, the compound is enol form. Okay, here pi bond shifted to these two carbons, so here C double bond C is formed. C double bond C means that functional group is ene, alkene functional group. Okay, here this proton bind with oxygen means that is the hydroxy group, means alcoholic group. In functional group and alcoholic functional group, so it is called as enol. Okay, this is keto form and this is the enol form. These aldehydes are ketones, some other compounds also showing this type of keto-enol tautomerism means these compounds shows two types of structures means here the transition of keto form to enol form and enol to keto, this is the continuous process. Okay, next is a keto-enol tautomerism in ethyl acetoacetate. Ethyl acetoacetate exists as a tautomeric mixture of keto and enol form. Okay, students, keto-enol tautomerism in ethyl acetoacetate. Ethyl acetoacetate also showing two types of tautomeric forms, that is keto form and enol form. Ethyl acetoacetate exists as a tautomeric mixture of keto and enol form. Okay, this is the keto form. CH3, C double bond O, CH2, C double bond O and OC2H5. This compound is keto form. C double bond O is there now, so it is called as keto form. Then it is shifted to enol form. Here two alpha hydrogens are present na? One of the alpha hydrogen shifted to left side or right side, whatever it may be. Here two chances are there. For example, this hydrogen shifted to left side, the double bond is formed at left side, the between these two carbons, and pi bond shifted to oxygen, then oxygen bind with hydrogen and form enol. Okay, this is a enol form. And here another chance also there, if the hydrogen is shifted to right side, this pi bond shifted to oxygen and proton bind here. Okay, both are same, both are enol forms. Here two chances are there, left or right, but when the proton migrate from carbon to oxygen, enol form is formed. Okay, again this hydrogen loses shifted pi bond and pi bond shifted to here, and this enol form turned to keto form. Okay, keto form turned to enol, enol turned to keto form. This is called as a keto-enol tautomerism. Okay, students, this is about today's session. Once again, we will discuss briefly. Okay, today's topic is ethyl acetoacetate. The class of compounds containing a methylene group directly bonded to two electron withdrawing groups are called active methylene compounds. Okay, active methylene compound means the methylene group which is present between two electron withdrawing groups, that is called as a active methylene group. Active methylene group containing compounds or ethyl acetoacetate and malonic ester. So here we are discussing ethyl acetoacetate. The structure of ethyl acetoacetate is this one. Here the circle methylene group is a active methylene group. This is present between two carbonyl carbons. Carbonyl carbon means electron withdrawing carbons. And preparation of ethyl acetoacetate, here main important preparation method is Claisen condensation reaction. In Claisen condensation, 2 moles of ethyl acetates react with each other in presence of sodium ethoxide and loses ethyl alcohol and form ethyl acetoacetate. Okay, the reaction mechanism includes 3 steps. In step 1, in presence of ethoxide ion, 1 mole of ethyl acetate loses 1 alpha hydrogen and form ester anion. Okay, this ester anion react with another mole of ethyl acetate and form one reaction intermediate. Okay, in third step, that reaction intermediate, uh, the pi bond of oxygen is shifted to carbon and oxygen, then ethoxide ion eliminates outside and form ethyl acetoacetate. Okay, this is the reaction mechanism of Claisen condensation. Physical properties of ethyl acetoacetate. Ethyl acetoacetate is a colorless liquid and it has pleasant smell. Boiling point is 180.4 degrees centigrade. Density is 1.0282 and it is sparingly soluble in water and completely soluble in organic solvents. These are the physical properties. Next is chemical properties of ethyl acetoacetate. Ethyl acetoacetate is having active methylene hydrogen. These hydrogens are more acidic in nature and these hydrogens easily replaced by other groups. Hence, ethyl acetoacetate used in synthesis of large number of compounds. Okay, why the methylene hydrogens are acidic in nature? Because here two factors are there, inductive effect and resonance effect. Okay, here when the ethyl acetoacetate is loses one methylene hydrogen carbene ion is formed, that carbene ion is more stable, okay, because it is present between two electron withdrawing groups. Okay, these two electron withdrawing groups are attracts the electrons from the methylene carbon. So here this carbon is having less electron density, that's why it can easily loses the hydrogen. And second is a resonance effect. Resonance effect means after the elimination of hydrogen, carbene ion is formed. This carbene ion shows resonance structures. Okay, resonance structures means this negative charge shifted to another carbon and pi bond shifted to oxygen. Okay, here two possibilities are there. This negative charge shifted to left side or right side, whatever it may be. If the negative charge is shifted to left side, the resonance structure is this one, first one. If the negative charge is shifted to right side, the resonance structure is like this, second. Here resonance hybrid is, we are seeing that resonance hybrid. In this resonance hybrid, the migration of or delocalization of negative charge is there. That delocalization is present between oxygens and carbon, that is the resonance hybrid. Next is salt formation. When these ethyl acetate react with strong bases, for example sodium methoxide, like that, salt is formed. Ethyl alcohol is eliminated and sodium enolate anion is formed. This salt is a weaker base. Next is alkylation. Alkylation means when the ethyl acetate react with alkyl halides, one of the alpha hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group. Okay, alkyl halides react with ethyl acetate. One of the alpha hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group and form alkylated esteroestic ester. Okay, this reaction is called as alkylation reaction. Okay, salt formation and alkylation. Next is hydrolysis. There are two types of hydrolysis are there, ketonic hydrolysis and acidic hydrolysis. Okay, here ethyl acetoacetate on hydrolysis, it is converted to acetoacetic acid. Okay, ethyl acetoacetate is on hydrolysis, it is converted to acetoacetic acid. And ethyl alcohol, this acetoacetic acid on heating, it loses carbon dioxide gas and form acetone. Okay, here ketone is formed, it is called as a ketonic hydrolysis. Next is acidic hydrolysis. Mm, Ethyl acetoacetate participates in hydrolysis in presence of base and dilute acids, and form 2 moles of acetic acids. Okay, 2 moles of acetic acid is formed and ethyl alcohol is eliminated, so it is called as acidic hydrolysis. Next is a ketoenol tautomerism. Aldehydes, ketones and some other compounds undergo this special type of tautomerism. Okay, this tautomerism involves the migration of proton from alpha carbon to the carbonyl oxygen. Okay, this is the first is the keto form, second is the enol form. In keto form, hydrogen is present at alpha carbon, double bond present between the carbon and oxygen. This is keto form. Next, migration of proton from alpha carbon to carbonyl oxygen. After this, this compound is formed. Okay, double bond is shifted to between two carbons and hydrogen is shifted to oxygen. Okay, this first one is the keto form and second is the enol form. Okay, ene functional group and alcoholic functional group is there. That's why it is called as enol form. Okay, next is keto-enol tautomerism in ethyl acetoacetate. Ethyl acetoacetate exists as a tautomeric mixture of keto and enol form. Okay, ethyl acetoacetate also exists in two forms, keto form and enol form. Okay, first this is the keto form and here this is the enol form. Here alpha hydrogens 2 are present and carbonyl groups also 2 present. So here there is a chance to migration of proton left side or right side, whatever it may be. Same enol form is formed. Okay, this is a keto-enol tautomerism in ethyl acetoacetate. Okay students, this is about today's session. Hope you understood. Thank you.